Hey, I'm Jeremy from Lingo Yes. In this lesson, we're gonna learn 3 definitions of take it easy. Take it easy. So what is take it easy? Take 拿 easy 简单 Take it easy, you cannot translate 拿简单 right? You cannot translate directly as 拿简单 It's more complicated in different scenarios and based on different contexts and connotations. So today I'm gonna teach you 3 definitions of take it easy. The first scenario, you're gonna do a public speech. You're gonna do a presentation in front of your boss. So this time you're kind of shaky, right? And your friend told you, take it easy, take it easy. So this time is more like 别紧张, 别紧张. 别 is like don't. 紧张 is nervous. So you can translate 别紧张 is more like directly into don't be nervous, don't be nervous. So this time take it easy is more like don't be nervous. 别紧张，别紧张. Okay, and there is a scenario 2. You worked 7 days already without rest. So your friend told you, take it easy, take it easy. You know, enjoy your vacation, enjoy your holiday. So this time, take it easy is more like take a rest, take a rest, take a rest. 放轻松，放轻松，休息一下，休息一下，放轻松，休息一下。放轻松 is like, you know, it's more like ease. And 休息一下 is like take a rest. So the definition in scenario 2 of take it easy is more like take a rest, take a rest. So this is scenario 3. For example, you have some clothes outside, right? And you notice the weather is gonna rain, and you told your friend like, I'm like my clothes is still outside, right? And your friend told you, don't worry, take it easy. I already collect for you. Take it easy. I already collect them for you. So right here, take it easy is more like don't worry. 别担心，别担心，我已经把衣服给你收好了。别担心，我已经把衣服给你收好了。Don't worry, I already collected all the clothes for you. Don't worry, I already collected all the clothes for you. So let's do the wrap up. The first scenario of take it easy is more like don't be nervous, don't be nervous. So 别紧张，别紧张。The second scenario of take it easy is more like take a rest. 放轻松，休息一下。Take a rest, take a rest, take a rest. 休息一下，休息一下。The third scenario of take it easy is more like don't worry, don't worry. 别担心，别担心。Now you get it? So we have 3 definitions for take it easy. The first, 别紧张。Second, 放轻松，休息一下。Third, 别担心，别担心。So next time when you're trying to say take it easy, consider about other scenarios and the context and use the right one to describe take it easy. Alright, I'm your host Jeremy and this is Lingo Yes. If you like our program, please Google Lingo Yes or subscribe to our YouTube channels. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.